Script for a video, spotting fake makeup products. Introduction. Scene 1. A person sitting at a vanity, surrounded by makeup products. Narrator. Are you tired of buying fake makeup products? Let's dive into how to spot the real deal from the counterfeit. Section 1. Packaging. Scene 2. Close-up shots of authentic and fake product packaging. Narrator. The packaging can often give away a fake product. Look for these signs: typos and misspellings. Genuine brands pay attention to detail. Low-quality materials. Fake products often have cheaper, flimsier packaging. Barcodes. Scan the barcode using a barcode scanning app to verify authenticity. Section 2. Product consistency. Scene 3. Side-by-side comparison of authentic and fake products. Narrator. The product itself can have noticeable differences. Texture. Authentic products have a consistent, smooth texture. Scent. The fragrance should be similar to other products from the same brand. Color. The color should match the shade indicated on the packaging. Section 3. Where to buy. Scene 4. Shots of various shopping locations. Narrator. Where you buy your makeup matters. Authorized retailers. Purchase from official brand websites or authorized retailers. Beware of suspicious online sellers. Look for reviews and ratings before buying online. Section 4. Price. Scene 5. A graphic showing a price comparison. Narrator. If a deal seems too good to be true, it probably is. Be wary of prices that are significantly lower than the market average. Conclusion. Scene 6. The person smiling and applying makeup. Narrator. By following these tips, you can ensure that you're getting the authentic products you deserve. Remember, investing in quality makeup is an investment in your skin and your look. Additional tips. Use a UV light. Some counterfeit products may have a different reaction under UV light. Check for a seal. Authentic products often have a seal or hologram to prevent counterfeiting. Join online communities. Connect with other makeup enthusiasts to get recommendations and share experiences. Call to action. Subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips and tricks. Share this video with your friends to help them make informed purchases. Visuals. Use clear, high-quality images and videos. Create graphics to highlight key points. Consider using animations to make the content more engaging. By following this script, you can create an informative and engaging video that helps viewers identify counterfeit makeup products.